part 2 for our house hunting. Now this is a little bit later now. We have all the footage, but we hadn't edited or anything. We just wanted to check to see if you guys wanted to do if you guys wanted to see another video for it. So as of right now, we are
in a holding pattern. Needless to say, with coronavirus, we are self-isolating. Neither of us are sick, but we're doing what we need to flatten the curve. So when it comes to looking at houses, everything is kind of similar to what it was like when I tried to get this house, which was looking at everything online, FaceTime and stuff like that. We don't even want to put our realtor in that position to have to like go in other people's houses or other people have realtors come in their house. So we did this back like in February.
So this was before the whole coronavirus thing happened. So these are the houses that we went to before that happened. So I think these are all pretty good houses. So I want to show you guys how it all went. If you'd like to see this video, then just keep watching. All right. Next house, we liked the inside. The outside, we really liked the outside, and the inside, we did really like this area, but it was weird. This house came into where was the kitchen. It had the garage right next to it. It was really strange.
There was a door that led right from the garage right next to the refrigerator.
Yeah, I did like that they had a lot of bedrooms. These ones were a little bit small for me. Like this one looked small as well, but again, it was a decent side. There is a really big one over here. So they did have 4 bedrooms, and then they had a master downstairs. I'm not really sure. I do like that they have a large sink and things like that.
We really liked the exterior of the house. Inside, it seemed like there were some nice premium finishes, but overall the layout was very confusing. No disrespect to those who have it, but the staircase kind of opens up into the kitchen, but in the middle of the living room and the kitchen. It just, I've seen where it works. This one, it kind of like opened up right into the middle of the kitchen, and with having the garage door that opened up into the kitchen as well, like right next to the fridge. It wasn't for us. And if I recall, the price point on that was kind of high, and for us, it wasn't a good fit.
Yeah. Into the next house. This was a really good house. So this was one of the ones that were still being built or finishing. And I did really like it. I thought it was really pretty. It was very white, and I love the high ceilings right there. And then going into the kitchen, it has a really nice large kitchen that you're gonna see right here. And I liked the countertops. I loved how many windows there are. And over here, this is the master. And then it was really pretty over here too. And then on the inside, you can see me right here is the closet. And I loved that it had a huge mirror there, and it was really, really pretty.
This was the sister house to the house from the first video.
Yeah. So this is another bedroom over here, and then going up to the stairs.
The bonus room.
That bonus room, and then it had a really big area. So now for me, I didn't like that. There was like there's too much stuff in there. And I think that they easily could have added a new bedroom, because it was just like a big area for like, I was very confused on what was supposed to go in there. Anyways, going back down, I just love that kitchen. It was so beautiful, and you can see right here it has pantry right there. Going out to the outside, you can see that there are 2 garages, which is really nice. So going back to the house, I did really like it. It is more expensive than the other ones that we had, but I do think everything in there was absolutely gorgeous.
Again, so it was the same builders as one of the really popular houses. I think was it the 3rd house in the first video? Mm-hmm. Same builder, same neighborhood. Again, very, very nice finishes. The bonus room with an additional room upstairs. Like Courtney said, it seemed like instead of having just a 4-bedroom house in this massive bonus area, why not drywall some of that off to have a 5th room? You know, that's something that's important to us, not having any family here in Alabama. We want to have room not only for our family's expansion, but for our extended family too to come visit.
Yeah. So I'm not sure if you guys have seen the first video for this. So if you have not seen it, I'm gonna put a link up here for you guys. If you guys have not seen the house hunting #1, like the whole video, I'm gonna put that up there for you just in case you haven't seen it. But yeah, we're gonna move on to the next house. Going into this house.
This was an older house.
It was an older one, but I did like it because you'll see in a little bit. But so they have these two, what is it called?
2 vanity kind of sinks there. Very high bathroom ceiling. It was weird.
Yeah. I did like the floors. I think the floors were really nice. This is the outside. These are bedrooms, I think. Yeah, it was one of the bedrooms here. And then going into just a closet. And then same thing on the other side. And then it has another bedroom. And then we are upstairs here, going back down. Yeah.
Similar to this, it has, so the end of the staircase opens right into that kitchen there. Again, for those of you who have it that love it, of course, here's the thing that Courtney.
That's what I was like, oh my God, I'm buying this. It was just absolutely gorgeous just because of the pool. All the rest of the house, we didn't really like it.
It was
kitchen,
really dated.
Yeah, and the kitchen was just like, it was just not our cup of tea. We just didn't really like it. Everything needed to be updated, I think. It just looked older, which I wasn't.
There was floor transitions that didn't match.
Yeah.
There was quite a bit of work for the price point.
I think even the pool was like old looking. Or maybe it was just that it was not
The realtor didn't have enough information about how old the pool was, details on that.
So
yeah, it didn't show very well.
It didn't. This house was beautiful. I did like it. So going around, there is the stairs, and then we have the kind of
formal area off to the right.
Mm-hmm. And then this is an open area. This is where you put your TV there. And then I did think that the coloring of these cabinets were really pretty. But then going in, you have your master. So I do like the different colors in there. All of the colors are usually just white. But this is the...
I'm going to bring up something right now. If you have a house that's this expensive, you don't have wire rack closets. Maybe I'm going to sound like very pompous with that, but like I don't understand. Our house currently doesn't have wire rack closets in it.
Yeah.
It just...
Yeah, that's like Ryan hates that when we go into somewhere and it has, what is it called?
Wire rack closets.
He's like, nope. And so he did not like it. So here, this is another
bedroom upstairs. This was a 4-bedroom. I believe all the bedrooms except for the master were upstairs. This was a nice bonus room upstairs. You can see it kind of has a little step down. We utilized that as a playroom, if I recall.
Mm-hmm.
I'd say of this round of houses, this was probably our second favorite to the to that second house that you saw.
Yeah.
One of the nice parts about this house was that it was in a neighborhood that was semi like gated. It had a big cove in the middle.
Yeah.
And it just we really like the neighborhood a lot.
Yeah.
And maybe it's not a cove, but like a lake. We really, really like the neighborhood. The house was nice. What was weird about this particular house was that when we saw photos of it online, it had all the stuff in it. And we went in preparing to see it that way, and it was completely empty. But I really liked that house. I think it was priced a little high, but it was nice. It was really nice. The flow of it felt really good, so...
Yeah. Let us know which house was your favorite from this video. I'm not sure which one is my favorite from here, but I think I know which one is my favorite. But let me know. I'm not going to tell you.
Tell us.
I'm not telling you. Let me know down below which one do you think is your favorite. Also, if you have not seen the first one for this, I will once again put the link up here, or I'll put it down below for you guys to see the first video for it. But yeah, I love you guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. A thumbs up if you guys just like this video in general. I love house hunting. I know we can't do this right now, going out to see houses, but I am hoping to find the house.
Yes. Let us know if you liked it. We like filming it for you guys. We like the process. We hope that everybody's being safe. When we purchased this house, it was done solely over FaceTime, and that was more due to logistics at the time. But don't let this be an opportunity. If you can go online and video search, do it. Go for it, and just be safe.
Yeah.
Be safe. We want all you guys to be safe.
All right, love you guys so much, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.